Are you wondering where the fuse boxes are located in the 2023 Maserati Grecale venue and how to understand their diagrams? In this guide, we will explore the fuse box locations and provide a clear diagram to help you easily navigate them. Front right-hand side of the engine compartment. On the front right-hand side of the engine compartment, you'll typically find the coolant reservoir, a translucent tank marked for checking coolant levels. Nearby is the windshield washer fluid reservoir, often capped in blue, allowing for easy refills. Rear right-hand side of the engine compartment. The rear right-hand side of the engine compartment typically contains several essential components, including the brake fluid reservoir and the engine control unit. This area may also house fuse boxes, harness connectors, and in some vehicles, the ABS module. Trunk compartment fuse box. The trunk compartment fuse box is located in the luggage area, typically behind a trim panel or cover. It houses fuses for rear electrical components like tail lights and power sockets. Access may require removing a panel or lifting the cargo floor.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.